Did you know that something as simple as the fruit you eat every day could change how much pain you feel in your joints? Imagine waking up in the morning, swinging your legs off the bed, and standing up without that familiar stiffness in your knees. Imagine walking to the kitchen without wincing with every step. For millions of seniors living with arthritis, this sounds like a dream. But what if nature has already provided an answer? Not in a pill bottle, but in your grocery store's produce aisle? Arthritis is more than just an inconvenience. For seniors, it can take away freedom, limit independence, and turn everyday tasks into painful challenges. Whether it's osteoarthritis wearing away the cartilage between your bones or rheumatoid arthritis triggering the immune system to attack your joints, the pain can be relentless. The swelling, the stiffness, the loss of mobility, it's not just in your joints, it's in your life. It affects how you move, how you sleep, even how you feel about yourself. But here's the good news. Food can either be part of the problem or part of the solution. And today, you're going to discover how 5 fruits, backed by science, can be a powerful step toward reducing arthritis pain and restoring joint health. Let's begin with the small, colorful powerhouse: berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. These little fruits are nature's inflammation fighters. They're packed with compounds called anthocyanins, the same chemicals that give them their rich color. But these anthocyanins do more than just make berries look beautiful. They reduce inflammation at the cellular level. That means less swelling, less stiffness, and less pain. Studies have shown that seniors who consume berries daily report significant reductions in joint pain. And it doesn't take much, just 1 cup a day can make a difference. Berries also help lower levels of C-reactive protein, a marker of inflammation that doctors use to monitor conditions like arthritis. And they're not only healing but versatile. Add them to oatmeal, blend them into a smoothie, or eat them fresh by the handful. Every bite is a step toward relief. Next, imagine a golden, juicy slice of pineapple. Not only is it delicious, but it contains a unique enzyme called bromelain. Bromelain is a natural anti-inflammatory that works similarly to over-the-counter pain medications, but without the harmful side effects. It's been used in natural medicine for decades to treat swelling, bruising, and joint discomfort. Research shows that bromelain can help reduce pain in the knees and improve movement in people with osteoarthritis. In some clinical trials, it performed just as well as common pain relievers. For seniors who are concerned about the risks of long-term medication use, especially gastrointestinal issues or liver strain, pineapple is a gentle, natural alternative. But not just any pineapple will do. Fresh is best. Canned pineapple loses much of its enzyme activity, so go fresh, slice it up, and let your body enjoy both the flavor and the healing it brings. Now picture a bowl of bright red cherries. These aren't just a summer treat. They're one of the best-kept secrets in natural joint care. Tart cherries, especially, are rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds called polyphenols. These compounds help lower uric acid in the blood, which is crucial for seniors with gout or inflammation-related arthritis. One study showed that people who drank tart cherry juice daily for 3 weeks experienced significant reductions in arthritis symptoms, including improved walking ability, reduced joint tenderness, and less overall pain. The deep red color of tart cherries comes from the very same molecules that help protect your joints. Whether you enjoy them fresh, frozen, or as a pure juice, make sure they're tart cherries, the variety most studied for arthritis relief. And if you've never tried tart cherry juice before, start with a small amount and work your way up. Your joints may thank you faster than you think. Now, let's go tropical with papaya. Often overlooked, this bright orange fruit is a nutritional goldmine for seniors. It's packed with vitamin C more than most other fruits, and that's a big deal for your joints. Vitamin C is essential for the production of collagen, which helps form the cartilage that cushions your joints. As we age, collagen production slows down, but by eating vitamin C-rich foods like papaya, you can help support your body's ability to maintain healthy cartilage. Papaya also contains beta-carotene, a strong antioxidant that helps neutralize free radicals, those unstable molecules that damage cells and contribute to aging and inflammation. And then there's papain, an enzyme similar to bromelain in pineapple. Papain helps reduce inflammation and aids digestion, which is especially helpful for seniors whose gut health can affect their overall inflammation levels. Enjoy papaya fresh or blended into smoothies. Add a squeeze of lime to enhance the flavor and the health benefits. And now, let's talk about a fruit you might not even realize is a fruit: avocado. Creamy, rich, and satisfying, avocado is a powerful ally for your joints. Unlike the sweet fruits we've talked about so far, avocado is full of healthy fats, specifically monounsaturated fats that reduce inflammation throughout the body. But that's just the beginning. Avocados also contain phytosterols and vitamin E, both of which support joint repair and protect cartilage from further damage. Several studies have shown that people who eat avocados regularly have lower markers of inflammation and report less arthritis pain. And here's something interesting: avocado consumption is also linked to better overall physical function in older adults. That means more mobility, more strength, and more confidence. Half an avocado a day is a great place to start. Spread it on toast, slice it into salads, or enjoy it with eggs. The options are endless, and every bite supports your joints. When we talk about healing arthritis naturally, it's easy to focus on what to avoid: the processed foods, the sugars, the trans fats. But sometimes, the most powerful changes come from what we choose to include. These 5 fruits aren't just nutritious. They actively work to reduce inflammation, support cartilage, and ease the daily pain of arthritis. They're gifts from nature, simple, accessible, and delicious. But even beyond the nutrients, there's something else that happens when you start eating with intention. You take back control. You stop being a passive participant in your health and start becoming an active one. You begin to see food not just as fuel, but as medicine. And for many seniors, that's the beginning of transformation, physically, mentally, and emotionally. Imagine going for a walk without needing to stop and rest every few minutes. Imagine playing with your grandchildren without feeling like your body is betraying you. Imagine bending, reaching, climbing stairs, all the simple things we take for granted until arthritis makes them hard. That kind of freedom starts with one decision. A decision to eat differently, to nourish your joints, to support your body's natural healing process. Of course, these fruits aren't a magic bullet. They work best as part of a bigger picture, one that includes gentle movement, hydration, quality sleep, and regular checkups with your healthcare provider. But as a daily, powerful habit, eating the right fruits can be one of the most effective tools you have. So the next time you're at the store, walk past the snack aisle and head to the produce section. Pick up a basket of berries. Reach for a ripe pineapple. Choose those dark red tart cherries. Grab a fresh papaya. And never leave without a couple of avocados. Let your kitchen become your pharmacy. Let your plate become your plan. And let nature do what it's always done best: heal. Because no matter your age, your joints can still improve. Your pain can still fade. And your best days can still be ahead.